This is the notice and consent for initial evaluation form. Fairly straightforward. Here's your student's name, the date of the notice. You, the parents, your school district proposes to conduct a multidisciplinary evaluation of your child. An explanation of why they're doing the evaluation. Any other options that the district considered, whether that would be response to intervention or other things that they've tried, why these things were rejected and they decided to go to evaluation. This section lists all the information they've gathered, describing why they want to do this, what it's based upon, any other factors that are relevant to the proposal. The time frame on which the multidisciplinary evaluation needs to be completed. In Nebraska, it's 45 days, federal is 60 days, but the states can opt for a lower number of days, and Nebraska's opt for 45, so it should be done within that time unless exceptional circumstances exist, and they have to describe those here. Some of the things they'll be testing for is adaptive development, cognitive development, physical development, social emotional development, speech language and communication development, and any other areas that they wish to test in. And they'll describe all those tests within these sections that they can write in here so that you have a better understanding of exactly what's going to be tested. And this is the notice that's given to you in order for you to understand what's going to happen to your child if they get evaluated. They also list in the notification, as they do in all their notifications, that you have the right to procedural safeguards. If you have any questions, who to contact, what their phone number is with the school. If you have more questions, you can contact any of these organizations. And the final page is whether or not you, the parent, gives consent for initial evaluation. If you do, put your signature here. If two parents are involved, both parents can sign. It only takes one. And then the date here. If you do not give consent for evaluation, then this is where you sign. You give a reason here and you date it. I would strongly encourage you to go ahead and do an evaluation. Doesn't necessarily mean you have to consent for placement or services. So get the initial evaluation so that you know what you're doing. But if you don't want to, do not give consent to do so.